Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said in a beautiful hadith, and let this be the advice that you take away from this talk today. And let this be the advice that you take away from this talk today. One simple hadith, can you not remember this? You must remember it. The hadith is this. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said in authentic hadith in Bukhari and Muslim, he said, Kun fi dunya, be in this world. How? Ka'abir as-sabil. Be in this world just like Abir as-sabil. Aw gharib. Another way he said it separately. He said, Kun fi dunya ka gharibin aw abir as-sabil. Be in this dunya. Be in this dunya, either one of two individuals, my brothers. Be in this dunya, either one of two individuals. Either a stranger, be a stranger, my brothers. Be a stranger, it's a good thing, be a stranger. Or be an Abiru Sabil. What is an Abiru Sabil? Just a traveler. Abiru Sabil is the passerby. Passerby, the one who is traveling. When he comes to a city, he's passing by. He stops for a little while and then he goes on his way. Na'am, be in this world just like you are either a stranger or an Abiru Sabil. What do you mean by stranger? My brothers, being a stranger, like for example you being a stranger in this dunya, is like not considering this dunya to be your real dunya. Is like considering this world to not be truly your real world. Is to consider this life, this house that you have, to not really be your true house and this true life. No, my brothers, be a stranger. That all of this is strange towards you. Why? Because the real life and the real house that you have is the house of the hereafter. The real house that you will be spending most of your time in, a lot of your time in, my brothers, is not the house that you have now, down the road. No, it is not. The house that you'll really be spending most of your time, a lot of your time, will be that grave and the place in hereafter, wherever you will be. This is why you should be strange here. Why? Because this is something that is not really your own. This world is not really your own. So be a stranger in this world. Be a stranger in this world. Or be a traveler. And what does a traveler do? What does a traveler do, my brothers? The traveler just passes by, takes from whatever he needs from this place, and rests for a little while, and then he passes by. Just like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. And verily this life is but a playful pastime. It's but a playful pastime. So be like that traveler, the one who passes by. Yes, he's just passing by, and he takes from this life whatever he needs. Yes, he takes from the halal of this life, and he leaves the haram of his life, and he only takes whatever he needs. Why? Because if he took more than what he needs, then he will not be able to carry on his travel. So he only takes whatever he needs. And then he has a rest. You see, the traveler has a rest in this life, and he prepares himself for his travel. So this is how you prepare for that travel, by your ibadah, by your good deeds, my brothers. كن في الدنيا كغريب أو عابر السبيل. سبحان لك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت استغفرك وأتوب إليك.